In today's video, I say, let them eat cheese. Come along, let me show you how being a prepper is gonna save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year. I know it saves me $100 a month and thousands. We've already done the math. So come along, let me show you how we prep. Today we're doing cheese. Yes, you can free cheese. Let's go. Being a food prepper saves me thousands of dollars a year and hundreds of dollars a month. Tonight we're going to prep cheese. Yep, you can freeze cheese. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing with individual bags of cheese by buying them in block, shredding them, putting them in individual servings for a meal so that you don't waste cheese and you can save it at the same time. Let me show you what I'm doing. I believe the best way is just step by step. Now I buy my bags in rolls. This cost me $32 for 150 feet of bags. I pull them out, slice it, and I usually about that length for when I'm doing cheese. Next thing I want to do is seal both ends up because both ends are open. The sides were already sealed. So I need to seal these ends up so that I can make bags out of them to put cheese in. So let's seal them up. So let's get my bag or sealer in here. We'll seal up one end right there. And now we'll come back and seal up the other end. So this one is sealed. So after I've gotten this end sealed, I'm going to cut this lengthwise to make 3 bags. So I've got 1, 3. See that? So this side needs to be sealed up. So that'll be the next thing we'll do. I hope this makes sense. Because what I'm doing is I'm making individual servings of cheese so I don't waste it. So when I buy it on sale at a great price, we consume it in small portions as not to waste it, have leftovers, or throw away. So now I've got it sealed on this end. So now both ends are sealed up longwise, here, here, and now even there. So what's opened is the sleeve area here where I can put cheese in and seal it up for an individual serving, all right? So the next thing we're going to do is shred the cheese, and we buy it in these blocks right here. We buy them only when they're on sale. We've been getting them between $1.10 to $1.47 each when they're on sale. Traditionally, they run about $3.99. So only when they are on sale, we buy them. We like cheddar, and we also like the white cheddar. Now, I don't care if these get shredded into the same batch. Makes no difference to me because it's cheddar, and we like it. So in order to get this shredded, I'm going to use my food processor, which makes it simpler. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can just use a shredder. So I'm going to put my cheese in the hopper, and let's get that shredded. Look how nicely that shreds. And when shredding it, you're going to get shredded and you're going to get some crumbled chunks, which is okay. Now, I often in the past have been freezing it just this way as a chunk. I've decided that I would now shred it and put it in smaller bags so that I don't waste all this. I have to take all this out to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred it this as well that we've already had previously frozen and get it shredded so I can make easier, smaller selections for meal prep. All right, here we go. See how beautifully that shreds. of the sounds you're hearing is just the sound of the cheese getting shredded up, because some of it is frozen, into the blades. So you can see that's a large amount of cheese, and I only have in there at this point 2 bags. That's all that's in here, but it's shredded up. So let me get it put in a bowl. And you don't have to do yours this way. You can do it whatever way works best for you. So I'm gonna get this dumped. That's a lot of cheese, eh? Look at that. All right, let's get some more shredded up. Let's add another one. Another one. And this is white cheddar. So we have white cheddar and yellow cheddar. Sharp, extra sharp. All 3 are mixed together. And I'm okay with that because we like cheddar cheese. So I have done 1, 2, 3. This is 4 blocks of cheese. That started out this size. So by doing the math at $1.47 each, and I've got 4 of them in here, I have $5.88 worth of cheese. Now let's see how many individual bags we get for individual servings. Okay, so let me get my individual bags, and I'll put enough cheese in each bag for a serving for dinner for Kevin and I. 2 people per serving list. So I'm gonna put the cheese in my bag. There we go. So whether you're using cheese for a burger, an omelet, on a sandwich, in a salad, in a casserole, whatever you choose to do, we have it pre-portioned. That's how we save money. So let's seal this up. We're gonna vacuum seal it to get the air out. Now look how beautiful that's sealed up. And that will lay nice and flat in my freezer. All done. Let's count them. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 19 bags of cheese, which is 2 pounds of weight. So, and if you remember, we had the cost at, so this basket is 2 pounds of cheese that I shredded, bagged them in individual serving bags for 2 people, gave me 19 bags. The total cost of this cheese was $5.88. By bagging it for individual servings, each bag comes out to roughly 31 cents a bag. So for 31 cents a bag, I have enough cheese here for 19 meals, if that's what I choose to use it for. But wait, there's more. I have yet to do the pepper jack and mozzarella. And I'm just gonna put those together. So let's get those finished. So, let them eat cheese. I did the other pound of cheese I had laying here, which was pepper jack and 1 mozzarella. And I got 9 more bags. So altogether total, I have 27 bags of cheese in my basket to go add to my food bank. Now I did the math because I want to make sure that I'm absolutely clear on this. We have a total of, good cheese, 3.5 pounds of cheese in here. That's what we have. I have 27 bags. The total cost was $8.15 for 3.5 pounds of cheese. If you divide that by the 28 bags of cheese I have in here, each bag is costing me 31 cents. Now, I think that's phenomenal. 31 cents a bag because I'm not wasting it. We're using it only for one meal. So I have got, if we ate cheese every single day, we would have a month's supply of cheese here for $8. It's pretty damn good. When you can buy it for $1.47 a block, which is 8 ounces, versus $3.99 to $4.99 when it's not on sale. So I say, let them eat cheese and bag it, shred it, get it in your freezer, and enjoy it. So I do want to thank you for coming along, taking a look at my video. If you found value in this, give me a thumbs up, like it, consider subscribing, come along, as I show you how you can eat very well, very cheap. Play the inflation game. Don't let it play you. Until next time, take care of yourself and be kind. Ciao.